Hey there, listeners. Welcome back to Zoranchi's podcast interviews. This is your host, Megha Tiwari. Guys, do you know how do we remember the special moments of our life? By making memories, isn't it? Memories are so precious, and if they belong to one of your special days, like your wedding or baby shower, they are nothing less than a treasure and are worth capturing. There are people who invest themselves to take a snapshot of pleasure to remember events of your life and make a treasure chest of photographs for you. These are the people behind the lenses, the photographers. Today we have a born photographer, Mr. Shantanu Chakrabarti, founder of Pixora Studios. Shantanu is following his passion despite of all the challenges he came across in his life. Join us to more about Mr. Shantanu and his passion. Hello, Mr. Shantanu. Welcome to Soranchi's podcast interviews. How are you doing this morning?
Hi Mega, morning is pretty fine. Weather is very good.
Great.
I am good, you say?
Yeah, I'm also absolutely fine. Mr. Shantanu, please
Okay.
make us familiar with yourself.
Hi, I am Shantanu
Mhm.
Chakrabarti. I am yet another engineer who is excelling in some other field apart from engineering.
Okay.
I have done BTech. I have done BTech and after qualifying GATE exam, I have done MTech from computer science branch. Yes, I am a foodie. I enjoy every second of my life. I am a Lord Shiva devotee. I do yoga, meditation, pranayam from past 14 years. I do these things just to remain positive. Yeah, I am very positive and fun-loving guy.
Mm-hmm.
I just want to do and serve for my country, and that's why I opted for business because if I earn more, then I can donate more. This is what I think and aspire of.
Okay.
I am associated with few NGOs as well,
Wow.
so life is going good.
Great.
Before this pandemic, I can say,
Yeah, obviously.
but we learned a lot
Yes.
after this
Okay.
pandemic.
Yeah.
During this pandemic, we
Mm-hmm.
can say,
For
and
sure.
best time to do self introspection.
Exactly.
Okay,
Spending time with family
so
and
yes, definitely. So about my family, my father was a government employee. He just retired 2 years before. And my mother is a housewife. I have a younger brother. He is doing BTech, as maximum Bengalis are BTech. So he is also doing the BTech. You can say it is our family tradition
right.
or culture
Yeah, right.
to grow up as an engineer
And pursue some other profession.
and pursuing some other profession. No, I am the only one,
Okay.
fortunate one.
Okay. So you are following your heart or your passion right now?
I am following my passion basically.
Okay,
I
great.
always want to do for my own.
Okay. So tell us about your profession, what you are doing exactly.
Basically, about my profession, first of all, I started as an assistant professor.
Mm-hmm.
For 3.5 years, I was an assistant professor in two engineering colleges. At the same time, I was a teacher or faculty in Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, ICAI. There, I used to teach information technology training and advanced information technology training. I also did editing of computer science books under few publications. I
Okay.
just worked a lot because I always wanted to start a business. It can be anything, but yes, the time came at 2017 when I started my digital marketing venture called as Digi Engineers. And after succeeding in it, and after getting excellence, you can
Mm-hmm.
say, we have started a photography studio naming as Pixora Studio. And right now we are making maximum amount of money in Pixora Studio.
Wow, great. So, as you have already told the reason why you stepped into business, so apart from that, what are the reasons which you think that which benefit you being an entrepreneur?
Basically, for an entrepreneur, the best thing and the most motivational factor is that we work for ourselves. We are not working for someone else. So whatever we do, we are doing for ourselves. Whatever bad we are doing is also for ourselves. Okay, it is for the development of your own venture. You will understand, you will learn. So basically, learning was the driving factor where when I started my digital marketing venture, I was also an assistant professor at an engineering college, but later on I decided to quit the job because I thought that I can't sail on two boats. Okay, that's why
Right.
I started full-time job. We do things what we want to do.
Wow,
That's it.
fantastic. That's really interesting to know. So, what this is a photography business which you took Sora
Yeah.
Studio. This is a
Yes.
photography. So, what kind of packages this company offers, and what are the events that you cover?
We have many packages, but there is no particular rate. What we do, first of all, I would like to share the services we provide. We do
Right.
a wedding photography, which is the major chunk. We do pre-wedding, engagement, housewarming, model shoot, portrait shoot. Product photography is also a very good business. Ad shoot, promo shoot, animated videos. We do image editing. We also have uh, many
Gifts as
gift
well?
ideas. We
Okay.
have also many gift ideas. Like if someone want to make a frame, want to make a collage, also we do editing as well. Hmm. So all
Okay, that's great.
photography related things we do. So in our package, there is no
Mm-hmm.
particular rate. I can say as it changes from client's budget. But our one-day wedding package starts from 50,000, in which whole wedding day shoot, that is starting
Wow.
from morning rituals
Mm-hmm.
to next day early morning vidai, we capture, in which two photographers and two videographers will be there doing traditional photography and videography, gathering
Okay.
shoot and all. Also, we provide best quality 40 sheets album from Bangalore. And in
Okay.
this package,
Mm-hmm.
we also capture any one day shoot extra before and after wedding, means 2 day shoot in 50,000 package. And if client ask
Inclusive.
for
This
candid,
other day is
this is inclusive.
inclusive.
two
Okay.
2 day wedding, 2 day photography. One
Mm-hmm.
is wedding day and one is apart from wedding day. Okay. But if client ask for candid photography, we increase by 10 to 15,000 for that. For cinematography, we take 15,000 extra. For drone, we charge 5,000. Selfie point, we charge something. For LED wall screen, we charge 10,000 per 100 square feet. So in short, if you want to get a good wedding shoot, you have
Right.
to spend at least about 80,000 to 1 lakh rupees, which can go up to 1.5 lakhs to 2 lakhs. We have also covered a grand wedding of 7 lakhs.
Oh,
Okay.
wow. So where is this studio basically located? In which city?
It is in Sanjay Place, but in photography you can travel through Pan India. We have traveled
Okay.
Delhi,
Mhm.
whole you can say whole North India, means Haryana. We have also went to Madhya Pradesh, maximum parts of Uttar Pradesh. Means we have covered almost North India. Because in
Okay.
wedding there is one function in bridal place, one function
Right.
in some groom's place.
Some other
So
place.
what
Yeah.
they do,
Mhm.
they always choose a single wedding photography studio.
So everything is
And
covered in the what
basically we
package you
decide
offer the company.
earlier. Yes, yes,
Okay.
yes. There is no particular rate, as I mentioned. 50,000 we charge, in which we provide an album also and 2 day shoot. And when a client increases like candid photography, cinematography, selfie
Right.
point, drone, LED, and so, we charge as per the requirements they need
The
or
cost
the desires
increases
they
as per
have.
the features added.
Yes, 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 yes.
Right. Okay.
50,000 is for basic package, you can say.
Okay.
Yes.
Wow. So, do you personally cover these events, or there is a team, separate team for everything?
Look, it is not possible, Megha, because in wedding photography, you get very few days for marriage in whole year. You can say it is very
Yes.
much seasonal also, because you have to match the Kundli, Nakshatra, and Panchang, and so, and we almost get 2 to 3 weddings on each wedding day, because
Oh,
we have
that
very few days to cover. Okay, so
happens a lot.
that time Yes, that time I go to one place, my partner go to second, and my cousin on third.
Okay.
And I also have trusted professionals and have full confidence whether I am there or not. My team is just the best. This is what I achieved because trust is the major thing which is needed in our business.
That's really well said.
Yes, I always go to the, but my personal interest is that I always go to the maximum budget wedding. As I believe that if someone is spending more, then I take the most responsibility.
Okay. So, which type of events do you personally like to cover? Is there any favorite kind of work you have?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Events which I personally love to cover is that after stage photography, we get 1 hour of the couple for
Right.
couple shoot and take cinematic shots like kissing on forehead, giving expressions to each
Right.
other, lifting, posing, close shots and all. Okay, that time some kind of director comes out of me, and I
Oh.
don't know why.
Wow.
I don't know
Great.
why I get concerned about the. I don't know why. I just get concerned about the angles, expressions, light effects, lights, postures, and all. I just loved that moment.
There is some hidden talent
So that is.
hiding inside you.
I think so. I think so. I think so.
Yeah.
I, I have to focus on my next project also.
Great. But it's good to know that, yeah, you find something else when you are doing something and you find some new,
Yeah,
aspect
yes.
of your own
Basically,
personality.
yeah, definitely. Basically, our whole profession is a lot depending upon the creativity.
Okay.
And we have to be upgraded all the time. From the part of lenses, techniques, the technologies, the methodologies the other people are using, we have to be upgraded all the time.
Right.
And the creativity factor is the
Exactly.
biggest concern. Yeah.
So, did you have any formal training as a photographer?
No,
Or,
exactly not. No, exactly not. Basically, what we have done in past is that we have worked for some YouTube channels. I did acting. I did as a director. I worked as a director, assistant director also. We have done ad shoot, promotional shoot, where we have to write a script to promote any business, and then according to it, we have to decide the venues. And from these experiences, we have learned a lot. Because if you are working for someone else, there is no second option. You always have to give your best.
right.
So from the field experiences, I have learned maximum, but now I have a team of professionals. So now we are doing very much good, I can say.
Great. So, as you said that you did BTech. So, why was, you were at that point of time you were focused on becoming an engineer, or was there something in your family that you had to do engineering, and then because this profession that you are following is entirely
Yes.
different what is your academic qualification. So why is so different? Is
There
there
was
any
lots
particular
of
reason behind that?
yeah, I can say that.
Mm-hmm.
Look, we are into this business from past 3 years, and with the help of digital marketing, we have achieved and worked so much that even studios, those who are working from past 10 years, won't have done. Means I can say this is the X factor we have, which other studios don't have. Means we have worked a lot. So why I stepped in photography and doing apart from my studies is that actually my father's sister, means my bua, was concerned about his only son's career. He was very bad in education, which is the
Okay.
biggest thing in all the Bengali families. That is, you have to be good in education.
Right.
She always had great faith in me and keep telling me that you have to take care of him. So Mrinal, my cousin, had he had a great hand in photography, and it was his passion. So I decided to develop his skills and entered him in Delhi College of Photography.
Okay.
He took admission in Delhi College of Photography in Delhi. From there, he did his diploma, means 1 year course in photography. When he completed, his education, I opened Pixora Studio. But after a few months, because of my busy schedule, I asked my very close friend Ravi Mohan Kandpal to become my partner, and he said yes.
Okay.
And from then, we never looked back. Before starting Pixora Studio, means while my cousin was in college, we
Mm-hmm.
did lots of work for different YouTube channels. We do acting,
Okay.
ad shoot, social message, short stories, animated videos, whiteboard videos, and related, just to
Mm-hmm.
get experience. In short, I was planning for the future and doing things accordingly. And
Okay.
I still believe that because of my Bua's blessing, we are into this
Mm.
business and right now making most amount of money through the photography business.
It's, it's
So it
it's
was
very
not planned actually.
interesting to know all this.
So we
This
have to
is
respect each and everyone's sentiment, I can say.
yes,
So this is the
yes.
power of joint family. We are living in a joint family. Hmm.
Uh,
So this is the power of a joint family, because you can say there are 360 days when you will get a fruitful result if you have a joint family. So I have, what can I say? I am very much blessed to have people like my family members surrounded by me. And I am surrounded by
so
them.
good to know.
So,
It's
pardon?
really so good to know that.
Yeah,
It's really so good
definitely,
to know
definitely.
that. Yeah,
Yeah,
the
definitely,
family,
definitely.
when the family supports is really very good.
Mm-hmm.
Great.
Okay.
Uh,
So
so
now
uh, yeah, go on.
I was telling that now I have two sources of income, which is working
Okay.
quite well.
As in the Pixora Studio and
Also, Digi Engineers, which is my
Digi
digital
Engineers.
marketing venture. Okay.
Right. So,
Yeah.
like the destiny was, you were destined to follow
Yeah.
this passion, and
Yeah.
the
We can say this.
entire world was, universe was behind behind that. Great.
Just blessings and all. What I
It's
else I
great
can
that
say.
you have found your own path. Great.
Yeah,
So,
definitely.
like, were there any other challenges that you faced initially when you started this business, financially or something?
Look, there are too many challenges. No, I must say mental trauma, emotional dramas, family
Mhm.
dramas, and all. One thing
Okay.
that my near ones used to say is that Bengalis can never do a good in business. I don't know why. This is the thing which I always heard throughout my childhood. And I always took this as a challenge. Even during this pandemic, a few also said that if you have gone for government job, you must not facing these type of financial issues. Means I never said anything to anyone, but I don't know how people got to know about my financial status. So I can say that family was the first challenge.
Yeah.
To convince them was my first challenge. Now parents don't say much, and now they know I am doing quite well, and started backing up. This is what I wanted. Hopefully in near future my bank balance will top the rest. Now you won't believe that what I can say as my success is that the best thing I can say is that I have reached that level, that more than 6 people want to invest on me, else want to enter into
Wow.
partnership firm with me. So this is the achievement
Quite an
I have.
inspiring thing. Really.
Yeah,
Commendable
definitely.
job.
Thank you.
So, now let's get into something technical
Hmm.
little bit.
Okay,
So,
sure,
are
sure, sure.
there kind of different kind of lenses do you use? What are the different kind of lenses? And how does they affect the quality of shooting
Hmm.
or photography?
Hmm. Look, basically, lenses, you can say, are everything to us.
Mm-hmm.
For photography purpose, we use Canon Mark series cameras, first of all, as it gives much better and enhanced photos. And for cinematography and videography, we prefer Sony cameras.
Okay.
Lenses, but talking about lenses have the biggest impact, and they greatly affect the quality of shooting. Means for venue and decoration, we use wide angle lenses, that is 14 lens. For couple shoot, still photography and stage photography, we use 50 2870, 24, 105 kit lens. And for cinematic and blur effect, we use 85 And for candid photography, we use 70 to 100
Okay.
lens. And for product photography, we use 100 macro lens. and there are just many. We have more than 10 different lenses, many studio lights, umbrellas, stands, wires, and all. Just too much. Uh, right now, candid photography has become a major issue. So, can I tell something about candid
Yeah, sure.
photography? Because it has become the inspiration, or you can say most of the people are concerned about a candid photography, that how it will done. So, what is candid photography is that I want your all the listeners to be aware about it. That taking a candid photo is more than just snapping a shot of someone that isn't expecting it. Instead, candid photos require a fair bit of planning. It requires strategic positioning and the right gear, among other things. A candid photo is of an unplanned moment.
Okay.
You can say we took a wow moment.
Right.
There is no posing.
Okay.
There is no direction from you as the photographer. This type of photography is often full of life and emotion, which is why it has become so popular for portraits of all kinds, from family portraits to newborn photography and even to wedding photography. So candid photography has become the next big thing in wedding packages. Yeah.
Okay. So how do you do that, the candid photography? So it's just a moment that you capture at that point of
Yeah,
time,
the
or
moment we capture, there is no posing, means there is no direction. In still photography, the photographer asks you to look here, look there, do this, do that. But in candid photography, you take natural pictures, because most of the people are camera conscious. If you ask, like my parents, if you ask them to pose, so you can see, they won't be able to do that. And as per the recent survey, people say that 80 to 85 people are camera conscious. If you ask them to pose, they won't be able to pose. So candid photography is the best part. So that's why it has become the major factor in all the wedding packages.
Okay, great. Wow. So, what type of editing softwares are you using when you complete your photograph?
Basically, we use Photoshop, Adobe Photoshop softwares. We do Lightroom, we do Snapseed, and for video editing, we use EDS software. We use After Effects. There are many softwares. You can say more than 10 to 12 softwares we use as per the requirement, as per the budget we use.
Okay.
So there are,
are they all
many
paid?
softwares. A few are paid, but a few we use crack versions also.
Okay.
Because these are very expensive, I can say.
So, do you know about this motion blur effect? I have read it somewhere.
Okay.
I don't know how it works.
Yeah, right now
So, can you
this
please
is.
tell us about that and our listeners also?
So first of all, to your listener, I would like to answer how to take motion blur picture. If you want to take a motion blur effect, first we have to double the shutter speed. So those who are photographers, they will know what is shutter speed. That is the FPS, means frame per second has to be means for 30 frame per second, shutter speed has to be 1/60. So all your photographer viewers will get the answer. It is very much technical also. People won't enjoy.
Okay, let it be. So there are only two more questions left, main questions, and then we'll move on to the rapid fire round.
Okay, sure.
Sure. Okay.
Okay.
So, whose work has inspired you the most so far in terms of photography?
In terms of photography, I can say many. Basically, I always want to be an actor. So photography is the initial stage from which you can start your career as well. So it was a driving factor. But I am very much fortunate enough to have good bunch of people who keep on inspiring me. So I can't say there is an inspiration from some photography fraternity.
Okay.
Right now, I am sincerely following Shri Ravi Shankar ji, Baba Ramdev, Sadhguru, and I am a die-hard fan of our beloved Prime Minister Modi.
Wow.
Best thing I learned from them is that they are always positive, keep working day and night, and just for the nation. And I firmly believe that right now our keys are in good hands and safe hands. So they are the inspiration because at the age of 70, if they can work so much, why
Right,
not we
right.
can?
Absolutely
So
correct.
they are my
Great. So
inspiration.
you are working on improving your personality and your inner peace, actually inner peace,
Yeah, definitely.
right?
Uh, it is very much essential rather than earning money. I think so.
Well said, well said. So what is the best
Yeah.
advice that you have received so far in your life?
Okay, the best advice I can say there are two best advices
Mm-hmm.
I get. First, during my childhood from my grandpa. You can say, the person whom I always want to be become like him. So my grandpa is the one who made me what I am today. He asked me once that make yourself so worthy that people always want to be surrounded by you. So this is the best advice I get. And the second best advice I get from the director sir while I was teaching in an engineering
Mm-hmm.
college is that there is more than 100 excuses when you don't want to accomplish any
Right.
task or you want to do anything, but there is no excuse when you want to do that task. So you just work and work to finish.
Exactly. Wonderfully, wonderful advice.
Yeah, thank you so this worked a lot.
Yeah. So let's move on with the show. And next, we are going to have a quick rapid fire round, and you will have five
Yeah,
seconds
sure.
to think and answer.
Okay,
So
okay,
just
done.
say the first thing that pops in your mind.
Yeah, sure.
Are you ready? Shall we begin?
Yeah, I have seen so many rapid fire rounds, but it's my time now.
Yes.
So I am ready.
All the very best.
Thank you.
So the first one comes here. Success,
State of mind,
work,
peace,
focus,
every task.
good. Trend,
Trend,
yes, trend.
photography,
Wow. Quality,
your skills,
style,
style,
yes.
whatever I wear,
That becomes a style. Wow.
Yeah, definitely.
Shooting,
For a photo shoot, you are saying
yeah, shooting. Yeah, in terms of photography
capturing,
only, not the zoom one.
yeah, capturing wow moments.
Great. Pixel,
Basic
one.
unit of photography.
Great. Depth in terms of photography,
Depth in terms of photography. I can answer in a single line or
yeah,
just
sure,
have to give
sure.
a single one.
No, you can answer in a single line.
So for depth, basically the object matters. If you want to take a blur effect,
Mm-hmm.
so the depth has to be more. But if you are doing stage photography, there is no column for depth.
Okay. Wow. Digital lens,
Basic things every photographer needs.
correct. Hue,
Performance,
okay. Texture,
texture, depends upon the object.
events,
Happy moments,
inspiration,
grandfather,
technology.
necessity.
Wow. Most people answer this the same.
Okay.
One special childhood memory,
Sleeping with my mother
oh
every
wow.
day, every night.
Ditto. Present,
Enjoying every moment of it.
great. Future,
Social worker.
you want to be a social worker?
Yeah, definitely. I want to inspire people, motivate people, and I want to help startups uh, to run their businesses because through the business only we can earn
Okay,
more, and through the business only our nation will build as a developed power.
great, wonderful. So, any advices for the people who wish to become great photographers?
Basically, you have to be your basics right every time. Means you can't even skip a single moment, because I say photography is the riskiest profession I have ever dealt with. Because if you just miss a single shot, like if someone is doing Sat Fere and you missed for a
Right.
single minute, it
Mm-hmm.
you don't have a second chance for it. You will miss that, and
Absolutely
from
correct.
that single minute, you will say your whole work will be vanished
Right.
and your whole image will be vanished. So basically, you have to follow your passion. uh, you should be updated every time. You should know how to use the lenses and all. Basically, lenses are the backbone in our field. So you can start with any camera and just do things on field, because on field you will learn everything as we did. Just keep doing work, even for free.
And
Thanks
just
a lot.
I
Thanks a lot.
also second with that advice that you gave. Whenever I also try to capture some photograph, it only lasts for a 20 seconds, and then we have to wait for entire day or
Yeah,
so
definitely.
much. But yes,
Because
definitely.
one thing I will say to the listeners
Hmm.
is that in wedding photography, if you just imagine that apart from husband and wife, means bride and groom, the only thing which will last forever is the photographs and videographs.
Right. Exactly. Exactly.
Venue will be for the single day, food will be for the single day, decoration will be for the single day, everything else will be for the single day, but the photography will always last.
Memories. They will.
Memories will
So
always last.
yeah.
Okay.
So Shantanu, any advice for the people who wish
Hmm.
to become great photographers?
Yeah, definitely. So, if anyone wants to become a professional photographer, first of all, you have to work a lot. So, you have to work on field. Basically, you have to take different objects. Means you can take a model, you can take a pet, you can take any scenario or anything, and then after capturing the moments, you have to do the editing part also. Because
Right.
in photography, everything matters. Means starting from the makeup section, the venue, your object, and then your camera lenses, and then later on your editing table. Everything matters a lot. So in photography, what we have to do is that we have to capture something which will give an immense pleasure to the viewers. Means
Right.
there should be a wow moment. There must be a wow factor, like motion blur effect. It is very much in use nowadays. So while taking any photo, first of all you have to frame that thing in your mind, that what you are going to take. So if you are able to capture, if you are able to connect that what you
Mhm.
want to capture, then it will be become easier to you. And
Right.
if yeah, and if anything you need to ask, or any software you want to purchase or you want to know about its feature and all, I am always there to help to all the listeners.
Very well then. Thank you so much, Shantanu, for spending time
Thank you,
with us.
thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Means a lot to me. Thanks for having me. Thank you, Saranshi. Thank you, Dipanshi. Thank you, Megha. It was nice talking to you. Thanks
Yeah,
to everyone.
I also really had a very, interesting time and a lot of fun talking with
Same
you,
here.
and lots of insights, lots of detailing about photography. Thank you
Yeah.
so much. So, guys, this was Mr. Shantanu Chakrabarti, a passionate photographer by heart with various hidden talents. Hope you guys find this session informative and helpful. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. Log on to our website www.saranshi.com to read the most amazing stuff on fashion and lifestyle. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Check the description box for more information. stay tuned to the next episode of Sauranchi's podcast interviews. See you soon. Bye bye.